Hello, this is Eric from the iManifold team. Today we're going to go over a little bit about profile management. So in your application, right there from your splash screen, what would you like to do? We're going to take a look at profile management. Looking at profile management, this is where we're telling the system actually what we're working on. Further, working on either a single circuit system or multi-circuit or a single compressor with a couple of evaporators. I'm going to show you how to set this up. So you can see right up here on the top, we've got select or edit the profile, and we have create new profile. If you take a look at select or edit profile, there are some profiles that are already set into the system from the get-go. These have a brief description on them. Now these stars over here are setting up for your favorite. This will be your default that goes onto your screen each time at the get-go. That can be changed at any time. So right here we've got 13 SEER, straight cool 410A with a TXV. We want to set this as our favorite. We can set that as our favorite. Go ahead and tap it and select it right here. It's brought in. We put it down here to submit. We can take a look here at what the profile is. And then we can go on the bottom here and submit it. When we take a look at our gauges now, we can go up here to view gauges. This profile is already set. So you got 410A, you got 13 SEER, AC, 410A, TXV. Now if we want to change this up, we want to go to a different profile or create our own, we're going to go over here and create our own profile here. So I'm going to tap create profile. Now we can change this up however we like. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in for a heat pump here. So I'm going to select heat pump. We're going to go with cooling mode. It's going to ask us our metering device, whether it's going to be a standard, electronic, TXV, or a fixed orifice. We're going to use a standard TXV. Refrigerant, 410A, we're going to keep it there. Condenser type, 6 to 8 SEER, 10 to 12, 13 to 16, 18 to 22. We're going to go ahead and use an ultra high efficiency. We'll go 18 to 22 SEER, like that. Head pressure controls, we don't have any. The number of compressors, we have 1. Number of evaporators, we're going to have 1. Now the evaporator type, we're just going to go with standard operation, 400 CFM per ton. When you go into high latent for a lot of dehumidification, that's right at 350 CFM per ton, kind of lower down the fan speed. High sensible capacity, you're going to find that in your drier regions, running the blower at 450 CFM per ton. Down below this, we have our target system superheat, which with the TXV, our superheat will be calculated, but our target system subcooling, we use that off of the manufacturer's data plate. Normally, we put in a default of 10 degrees subcooling, 12 on the superheat. That is the norm that'll make pretty much any system happy, but to pinpoint it down, we can always put our targets in. So on this particular, I'm just going to say that we have a target, subcooling target of 8. We can utilize that, put it in here. There's our target, and we can put in a profile name. Now if we want, we can name this ourselves. We can do this custom name, or you can auto-populate. I'm going to use auto-populate. That'll give it a nice little brief description, and I can pick it out of the crowd here. So if I use auto-populate, as you can see, 18 to 22 SEER, heat pump, TXV, 410A. I hit save here. As you can see, 410A is my refrigerant, 18 to 22 SEER, heat pump, what have you. Now if I want to change this up again, I can tap this, select or edit a profile, and I can go right back up here to my favorite. Now the active profile that you're using is going to be the one in the dark highlight. Any of the profiles that you put in custom, you can delete them. You can get rid of them, you can add them, you can do whatever you like as far as profile management. So this is how to set up a single circuit system. Videos to follow. We're going to multi-compressor and multiple evaporator systems. So we'll go back in here to our favorite, save it, we're right back in business. Keep an eye out, more videos to follow. Thank you.